If you watch my wish list video, I had mentioned there that I've been wanting to get a Chanel mini flap in rectangular, and it is something that I've been looking for, but I was very specific to the color that I wanted. And here she is. My SA messaged me last week that he found one for me. I'll show you what I got, and I'm just so excited. I haven't seen this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos every week, anything and everything about luxury, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. If you're into that kind of stuff, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So now, a little backstory of this purchase. When 21P collection came out, I was not able to score the caramel bags as well as the other bags, and I've been wanting a mini bag. There are a lot of beautiful colors for the previous collection, and I was just not lucky. And if you watch my wish list video, and this is exactly what I said, I really want to add a Chanel mini in my collection, so it's gonna have to be either a beige color or a little bit of a lighter color or pink, so I would have different variation in my collection. And I just can't believe that I finally got this. And so anyway, the 21P collection, some of the items that I really wanted, I wasn't able to get because of course you have to reserve before you can get those pieces. And so I contacted my SA, and he said that he's gonna put me on a reserve, or he's gonna put me on the list. He said, I'll try to get one for you. I thought, okay, just put me on the list, and I really wasn't thinking that I was gonna get this. And then I got a text saying that, Antoinette, I got your bag. Do you want it? I need an answer by the end of this day. And yeah, so I was so excited, but at the same time I'm so nervous. I know this bag is really hard to get, but I'm following this page on Facebook, and they were saying that this particular bag, sometimes you get dots. You'll see like black dots on the bags, and like it's sort of a defect of the leather. So I'm really hoping that this bag doesn't have it. This bag is really the bag that I wanted, in the mini rectangular color. I wanted something lighter, so I'm really excited. Can you guess what this bag is? So yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I got. And my SA, he's amazing. He told me that they have a box that came out that day, so he said, I'm gonna get one for you. So I have my box. I know a lot of you don't have a box yet, or they have a box shortage, and I think they get every now and then they get like new boxes, but they don't have a whole lot. So I'm just so glad that I'm able to get a box. So here it is, and I think this is maybe the receipt. And I don't have the camellia flower. I'm guessing they might be out of the camellia, so I'm not sure if it's inside, but if it's not, it's okay. I have some camellia flowers anyway, but as long as I have the box, and I'm fine. So let me show you what I have. Of course, a caramel was really hard to get, so this is not a caramel bag. And so, and it's in the, you wrap it really nicely. And there it is. I'm so excited. All right. So, and before I open this one, in this box, you'll have all the stuff that you normally get when you get your bags from Chanel. You get this little like a care card over here. In my other bags, you know, you would get like the mittens to clean it with. So let me just set it aside, because you all know what's in here, and give you like a quick first impression on what I think. here is my very first Chanel mini, and I'm just so excited because most of my bags are bigger bags, so this is gonna be my first mini. Let's see. So here is my little beauty, and this one is from the 21P collection. And let's see. All right, so sorry. Look at this baby right here. It is the Chanel 21P light pink, and here is the I don't know if you could see that, but that is the number for this bag, and it's so beautiful. I don't know if my camera is washing off the colors, but let me just do a quick inspection on this bag. And this one hasn't been even handled by anyone, and so when I look at this bag, it looks really more like a beige kind of pink color, like what I've always wanted. And it's really beautiful. I just can't believe that I finally got one, and I'm so thankful for my sales associate that he was able to score one for me. And yeah, so here it is. So it is a Chanel mini flap in rectangular, and it has the gold, light gold hardware, and this is the strap right here. Let me take that off so I could show you. Okay, and look at this. I hope that you could really see the color of this bag, how pretty it is. And yes, so it is really beautiful, guys. So I chose the mini rectangular because I wanted my phone, my iPhone 12 Pro Max, to actually fit in a little bit more of my essentials. And I prefer this actually than the new one that they have from 21S with a handle, because I want to be able to adjust the strap. Although, you know, it's really hard to adjust, but I know you could get like a clasp where you could adjust your mini flap. So with a mini, it has a pretty long strap. So I have to see, I've tried a mini before and it did fit like, you know, perfectly as crossbody. And I'm only 5'2", so it's gonna be a little bit on the longer side, but yeah, so let me show you how it is. So there's the inside of this bag. Let's see, the authenticity card should be, oops, not here. So it is inside the zipper, so my authenticity card is in there. So it is the 31 series bag. So for those of you that don't have a mini flap and you wanted to see the inside of the mini flap, it has a zipper on the inside as well as a little slip pocket here that you could put like little stuff, and it is leather lined on the inside, and I really love this. It's so pretty, and I'm inspecting for that black dots that they were talking about. So far I don't see any, but yeah, so here is my beautiful rectangular flap in a light pink gold hardware, and it is such a beautiful color, and it looks really like beige. When you look at it, it looks like a beige or a peach color, and it's really cute. So I'll just give you a close-up look on this bag here, and on the side, and on the back, and on the bottom of this bag. So far this bag looks super gorgeous. I don't see any issues, and you know I've seen a lot of videos where they have issues with the strap. So far no issue on the strap right here. The strap is nice and straight and no twisting of the strap. Okay, so it's my very first rectangular mini, as well as it's my very first lambskin bag. So of course you all know that the mini is in lambskin. They had discontinued the caviar in 2017, so you know I can't get that, of course. But this color is beautiful. I'm gonna have to treat this with a Colonel Carbon Pro before I would even use this bag. This one is very prone to color transfer and all that. I just can't believe that I finally got one of these bags. So first of all, let me just show you if my phone would fit. So I'm guessing it would. It has to fit, right? I like the mini rectangular because it's not a double flap, so you know you could pretty much fit a lot. My iPhone fits perfectly, and I still have a lot of room, maybe like a card holder and maybe like a mini pochette. I'll do another like review and what fits in my mini bag. But yeah, so far I'm loving it. As I said, you're actually the first one to handle this bag, and the hardware still has all the plastic on it. So yeah, so it is truly a dream bag for me, and this is like my wish list checked off, and I'm so glad that I'm able to get one in my collection. So I'll do a quick mud shot so you could see how it is on a 5.2 frame. So I'll show you how it looks. So again, it is in lambskin from the 21P collection with the light gold hardware, and it is in light pink color, and in person it looks more like a peach, kind of beigey depending on how you look at it, but I really love it. I actually love it more than the beige clear. I don't know why, but I really love this color. And its side frame and its back and on the side profile as well as the bottom. So I am just so in love with the mini rectangular, and I really don't know why it took me so long to even get one. And I really don't mind adding another mini in my collection. I just really love the size, and for the price it's really good. And right now I got this one for $4,000. And I just love it. And I know that the 21A is coming with like a caramel color. So if they will have it in mini, then I might grab one. So depending on, you know, how hard it is to get, but I'm just hoping. But right now I'm just enjoying this mini, and I'm really glad that I'm able to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on my future videos.